tell me how is your Friday? Yeah, it's a Friday. How is your Friday, guys? How is your Friday? Tell me, how did you spend your day? It's gonna be a beautiful night, fresh mind. I feel like my mind is so fresh and clear. So whatever we're gonna get ourselves into, it's gonna be the best. Yeah, I am trading binary options, and this is a trading assembly. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Yeah, today we are starting with gold OTC. So let us see how it goes. In our just see my plan. We're really having some good uptrend here. So let us buy and see how it goes. Zillion, good to have you. Good to have you. Yeah, let us see how our first trades go for the night. Guys, mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? It's a Friday. It's a Friday. I know most traders at this time, they be like, I know what, I'm closed for the week. The weekend is my time to enjoy. Yeah, but for us, we are still here. You're waiting for me. Oh, guys, I love it that you keep time. I love it that you keep time. What's up? What's up, Raphael? Good to have you. Azisiwe, good to see you. Karen, good to see you. Good to see you all, guys. Tell me, how was your Friday? How did you spend your day? You've been busy doing what, Zillion? Dennis, I see you. Which strategy you use? I'm using pure price action. I'm using pure price action. That is my strategy. AR, good to have you. What's up? What's up? Oh my guys. We take our first L for the night. Okay, let us sell more. Empire. A. Brando, good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Another day, another dollar, guys. I love that line, and I got it from you guys. I see you, Dennis. Good to have you. Good to have you. Hey. And I wish I could have for life. For life. Guys, mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Tell me, guys, how are you spending your Friday? How are you spending your Friday? Let us look forward to getting more clean entries. For life. For life. I know, but let us see. Guys, structure is shifting bullish. So let us see how our buys close. Okay, beautiful. Let us wait and see for another move. I see you, Raphael from Zambia. Yeah, the market can take anyone out. Market has no favorites, guys. As a trader, you should know that the market doesn't have favorites. Anyone can be taken out. Docas, good to have you. Natures, what's up? Zillion, tell me, you had a busy day. What were you doing, guys? Did you look at your charts today? Honestly, I used to feel this song, but not anymore, I think. Uh, this or that, is this real? Of course. I mean, can't you see me? Wow, really having some movement here from sellers. Let us watch, let us watch if we can really get onto this ride or not. Crazy, crazy. We're having some movement from buyers, but at least our trade first closed in profit. You've been busy with work. All right, all right. Let me hope it's moving well for you. Cameron, good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you all, guys. Tell me, did you execute any trades today? We are all, this is a trading assembly. I need traders telling me. Did you execute any trades, guys? Did you look at your charts? Eh, alive, alive, for life. Guys, I used to feel that song like crazy, but it's been a while. Ah, Joseph Firik Eganoda says you blew your account again. Guys, that is not good manners. What happened exactly? What led to the blowing? Cameron, how are you on 5 hours on the chat? What were you looking out for in those 5 hours? We were trading demo today. All right, all right. What were you doing exactly? What were you looking out for whenever you're executing, guys? Because whenever you're looking at the chart, there has to be something that you look out for, and if you see that something, that's when you go ahead and execute. Oh my, oh my, crazy. Let us see if we can get more entries. Natures says, yes, I executed, but I witnessed rise and fall, and I'm not happy about it. Rise and fall like in candles, or your account growing at the same time going back, because the profits you have made, you have donated them back to the market. What exactly happened, guys? Tell me. I made some profit on my demo too. Okay. But guys, as from my experience, I really don't advise you guys to overstay on demo accounts. You need to get the real market experience. Yeah, actually, once you start feeling the real market experience, that's when you really start to know the actual trading, because the battle in trading, actually, it's not about the charts and the strategy. It is about your psychology, and I believe you feel control of your psychology when you're dealing with a real account. But that is purely from my experience, guys. Doctor, good to have you. I see you guys. So keep telling me how you spent your Friday. You got no cash, you got no dollar. Let's be honest. Let's be real. You just off work. All right. So you're relaxing. How was your day at work, guys? And let me hope we are all locked in. Let me hope we are all locked in. Oh my, Cameron, tell me more about Ivy's special move. Share with me. I mean, I could also need to apply it on my chat. Tell me more about it. Pretty little thing, you gotta pay it, now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Is it okay if you receive few cents live? No guidance. Amen. Your guess, you can send me that via Telegram. Yeah, you can send me whatever you're communicating via Telegram, I'll see. Samuel, good to have you. My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. I am purely trading binary options. My strategy is pure price action and I'm on gold OTC chart. Yes, for all those that have just joined, you can catch up from there. Yes, we need to know about that special IV market special IV that you use. Zillion, you're saying I crashed out on my real account 2 weeks ago. Oh, yes. But 2 weeks are enough to rest. You should not take some long time because the more you take long without being in the real market, the more you gain that fear of execution. Huh? So you need to be consistent regardless of losses, because losses are part of our game, guys. Every now and then losses will happen. The key is to minimize them, and the more consistent you are on the account, the more you're going to minimize those losses. They got you got. Guys, this is a reminder, you cannot really follow my trends because of the YouTube time lag. If you're here, just come for good vibes and to learn anything you want to know about trading. You're free to ask. This is a trading assembly, so we should focus on that. Teach me. Oh my, we get taken out by a very slight price move and it goes into our direction. All right. Now that you're back, you better tell us the IV special. Yeah, everyone is ready to hear from you, Cameron. Hey. All right, guys. We have got some plus here. Sometimes I'm better, sometimes I'm worse. I don't understand. Raphael, that happens because of course, psychology in that matter really is there, because once your psychology is good, I believe you'll be wise enough to make the right executions. And if your psychology is really not so good, that happens. The other reason could be because of your risk management. Maybe you defile it to the point that you start going against everything and once your psychology is hey hey and once your psychology is bad, guys, even if you have the best strategy, it's going to be affected. You will not be thinking well. Mm-mm. I'm taking me up inside like the 4th of July. Whenever you are around, I always seem to. Okay, let us see how this goes. All right, guys, we get it. We get the move. Sometimes we enter the wrong time. That is so key, guys. Like I told you yesterday, timing is really important in trading. Yeah, once you really see a move or you anticipate a move to happen, please don't anticipate, don't hesitate, execute, because timing is really key when we are trading, honestly. No matter the market you're dealing with, this is not just for binary. Every market you'll be trading, I always seem to smile. Every other reason why. Listening in the mirror, singing in the shower. And guys, one thing I can tell you, when you're consistent, if you're really consistent in the market, you'll be able to see those moves, because the market honestly moves in a repetition way. So if you spotted a move, the more you see those moves, the earlier it will get for you to get those sniper and good entries. It all comes with consistency. So like the 4th of July, whenever you are around, and people ask me why. Dancing in the mirror, singing in the shower. So let's move. Really caught up some nice pullback trades there. Let us see if the market is really going up again. All right. Guys, it really went into our direction. Like I told you yesterday, honestly, if the market is trending, if you're really in a bullish trend, sometimes the market really respects it and it lasts longer. Yeah, and this is some good structure here. Not confusing structure. Hey Trevor, good to have you. Tips to become a profitable trader. All right. I'm going to just give my tips that I feel like they have really helped me. So these are purely from my own experience, not anyone else's experience, but mine as a trader. But let us see. All right, another trade bagged by just following our trend. Basically, what helped me to really shift from a beginner, from a struggling trader, to getting better, the key is being consistent. And by consistent, I mean every day. Even when you don't feel like, force yourself to open a chart and look at it. And whenever you're looking at that chart, do not just open and look at the candles. Have a particular thing you're really looking out for. And if you really have a strategy, that is the time you really look out for the strategy on the chart. Yeah. So for example, my strategy is pure price action. Whenever I open the charts, I'm not going to think of other things that people are doing. I'm going to look at, to first understand the trend of the market. After understanding the trend, I understand the market direction. I understand structure. and I also look at candlestick patterns because that is my strategy and it's what I follow, guys. So whenever I open my charts, that's what I always look out for. I know there are very many strategies out there, but that's what I do. You guys know that I was a forex trader, and when I was still doing forex, honestly, the strategy I was using, it was SMC, yeah, and some liquidity concepts. But I realized with binary, it's actually better to trade with pure price action, and I shifted my mind to that strategy, and it's what I focus on since I'm now a binary options trader. The other thing is really discipline, guys. It is discipline that is going to keep you in the market. It is really discipline that is going to keep you in the market. If you set something, if you set a profit target, if you set losses you take in a day, if you set all those things and you follow them, yeah, it's okay, guys. And guys, I can tell you, if you're really just starting out, it is better to make some little profit than to just try to make a lot of profit and you end up blowing your account. So you keep on setting targets that are realistic, and you just keep on adjusting them based on your capital and your potential and your skill. Anyone who loves Miss Independent? Okay, so basically that's what I really look out for, and it has really changed my trading, guys. If you're not willing to really be consistent even when things are not working out. Just force yourself. Rib shin, skin is showing, hard now, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey. Okay, let's keep moving. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question you wanna know. That's why we are here. Fresh vibes. Oh, it's a beautiful Friday indeed. So let's keep moving. So come in, baby. So far, nothing I know. All right. Cameron appreciates me. He's so much better a month ago. That is nice. That's nice. I mean, the key is for all of us to get better at trading. But you didn't tell us your IV special. I'm curious to know it. Try to change me, but it's what All right. Beautiful. Guys, the strategy I'm using, it is pure price action. And if you're really not getting what I'm doing, you're free to ask any trading question. That's why we are here tonight. It's not just purely entertainment. We also have to learn from each other. But here's my number, so call me maybe. And this is crazy. Hey, call me maybe. Try to chase me, so call me maybe. This is so bad. I miss you so bad. right, all right. Please explain the price structure you're talking about. All right, all right, all right.
Yo, he ain't messing with no average chick. Pop, pop. He got Nicky, he know that he hit the jackpot.
Oh my, guys, we took some L's here. Let us look for another entry.
Hitting them home runs, I be like, yo, Matt, I want a dude that still kiss me when he mad. Type to cop me diamonds, he can miss me with the bag.
Baby, you should be up in my bed. Ooh. Jeffrey, what is confusing about my strategy? What were you really trying? Let us first understand. When you're on your charts, what were you looking out for? Up in my bed. Do you mind? Guys, for all those that are waiting for my strategy, just hang in a little. I'm going to explain it in detail. Yeah, just get locked in and wait a little. You know. The time of my candles is 5 seconds, guys. And my expiration time is 15 seconds. Let's not waste that time. Hey, all right. Get taken out by a pullback, guys. I should be the one, baby, you know. Actually, I've remembered someone, I don't know if she's here, someone texted me on Telegram and she was asking about the pullback. What do you consider when you're looking out for a pullback? Guys, whenever you're looking out for a pullback, she was asking the number of candles. There is no number of candles that you should count. I mean, like, the market is moving, so you expect the pullback to happen. And you count like 3 candles. A pullback can be 1 candle. A pullback can be as many candles as possible. The number of candles does not determine like the pullback or not, because even 1 single candle can be a pullback. The key is to really understand market structure and the turning points of the market. I'ma keep my promise, never treat you like groupie. Calamari, dinner, guy, iri, roll, sushi. What I like. 2 types of stuff, and you still little mama. I can be your friend and your lover. Yeah, you guys. Actually, Jeffrey, you asked something. And I asked you, what do you follow? You said my strategy is confusing, and I asked you, what were you looking out on your charts? In line with my strategy, what were you looking out on the charts to have found it confusing? Because on that, it's what I'll base on to give you a reply. Oh, fine. Get a little closer, baby, poster. Guys, just hang in a little. I'm gonna explain my strategy. I'm still looking out here for something. You should be at my bay. Just stick around. I'm gonna give you my strategy. And when I'm starting to explain, I'll make sure you're all on it. Tell me what to do when you say a bad bitch in front of you, baby. Assume the position. Get a little closer, baby, post up. Guys, this is a reminder. I do not only trade with the indicator, I also back it up with my strategy. Yeah, and I respect all traders who purely execute based on indicators. Yeah. Oh my god, excuse me. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description. Not for you. Let me hope you've got that. Okay, let's move. If you're ready for my strategy, let me see you comment strategy. I want to explain when all of you are locked in. So comment strategy, I start. A visit to the home. Yeah, let me see you comment strategy. If you're ready for the strategy, I give it to you guys. I don't want to explain to one person. I need you all locked in so that when I'm done, I'm done. Yeah, I want to know that you're all locked in. Wow. Move down. Yeah, like that's beautiful. Yeah, I can see all of you are locked in, and that's how I like it. So let these first trades close, then we get into it. I'm like, what's up? Hello. All right, guys, we get some plus there. So this is a reminder. I do not only trade with the indicator, I also back it up with my strategy. But whenever I'm using this indicator, which is Keltina channel, I look out for breakouts. So whenever I get a breakout to the upside, I'll start anticipating buying momentum, but I do not conclude that buyer is already in the market unless I get more confluences or more confirmations. And the opposite is true for selling. Whenever we get a breakout to the downside, I anticipate sellers in the market, but you look out for other confluences. And by confluences, I mean purely my strategy. Now my strategy is pure price action. With pure price action, I first look out for understanding market direction. By market direction, I mean, am I in an uptrend? Am I in a downtrend? When the market is trending upward, it is moving in series of higher highs and higher lows. And to confirm an uptrend, the market will break structure to the upside, that is breaking the previous high, and pull back, then continue with the trend upside. So the opposite is true for a downtrend. Whenever I'm analyzing that to understand, to get a bigger picture of the market, I look at other time frames. My main time frame, since I'm trading binary options and my execution time is 5 seconds, I'm going to look at 5 minutes to understand market direction. I also look at my 3 minutes and execute on a lower time frame. Looking at different time frames, it just helps you to get a bigger picture of the market, so you understand what you're doing when you are on a lower time frame. But my time frame doesn't have to be the same as yours. Everyone, as traders, we all have different time frames that we use, guys. I also look at market structure, because we all know market structure is king. Yeah, and with market structure, guy, I always tell you, you always look out for strong points. And by strong points, I mean the strong highs that push the market down to break the previous low, that is for a downtrend. And that break should be with a candle closure. That is when market structure is valid. And the opposite is true for a downtrend. For an uptrend, you look for a strong low that pushed the market up to break the previous high. Better every day. Yeah, to break the previous high. So basically, that's what I look out for, guys. If you understand those turning points in the market and you understand structure very well, execution will be easier for you. And I prefer using pure price action because because it is easily applicable on all time frames and on in all markets. Yeah, basically that is my structure. If you've not got anything, you're free to ask. But now we are gonna move. It's the game. Hey. So whenever you see me executing here, my entries are all based on that, guys, what I'm from explaining. To align all those things, guys, it's going to take you some time. That's why you have to be consistent and you look out for those moves every single time. The more you are consistent and you see them on the market every now and then, the more you will understand pure price action and it gets easier. That's the fact. Eish. LeBron, good to have you. All right. Let us see how this sell trade goes. You're the queen of talk shit, then I'm backing it up. Hey. I'm using the indicator with the default settings, guys. Market structure shady. Market structure is basically how the market moves. It makes a high, it pulls back, it makes a low, it moves, it continues, it makes another high. That is that is market structure. That's what it means. Talk about, you know how to go and get it back, don't you? So basically, that's my strategy, guys. Let me hope you really followed and you got it. Guys, you do not need a lot of screens if you're really executing, especially if you're trading one chart. You can just keep switching in between. But me, once I understand the bigger picture on a higher time frame, it is so easy for me to follow up, even if I'm just looking at one time frame. With the mad black paint on it, hoping that the niggas don't hate on it. Young and man on it, just sweat on it. Oh my. I can't understand yet. I'm using the indicator, guys, with the default settings because I do not base my entries on only the indicator. Can make it prosper. Oh, do it properly. She be wishing from the bottom cause my baby got it on the bottom cause 100 on the highway. Looking on the side cause I'm looking on the sideways. Doctor, I do not get what you're saying. Good to have you. Oh. Loyal to my heart, right? But I'm still riding, even when the wheels up. Guys, let us look in. Let me hope you're watching. My candles are 5 seconds. I just wanna audio air with a man block pain on it. Alright, alright. Hey, some rejection there. Let us see. Okay, buyers still moving. That's only dangerous. Cause some niggas off and make some changes. No patience. I wanna get this money, stay in my lane shit. That's self-grace, self-paid, self-made shit. Alright guys, let me hear you comment self-made because that's what we are all on. Diane, good to have you. Make a separate full strategy explanation video. Of course, guys, just log in on this YouTube channel. I'm going to be dropping more and more videos. Yeah. But you're free to ask any question about my strategy that you have not got. I'll explain more. Rich and famous. I just want the money. I don't want the fame shit. Cause some niggas off and I'll make some changes. I'm gonna get it. I don't have no patience. I'm gonna get this money, stay in my lane shit. That's so great, so paid, so. Alright, it's finally working out for us here. Franklin, I love you too. Me too. Good to have you. Good to have you all, guys. Tell me, how was your day? By the way, traders in the building, which strategies do you use? Someone comment your strategy. I want to know which strategies you're using. Maybe I've ever used them at some point when I was trading. Because honestly, I'm trading pure price action, but that doesn't mean I've never looked at other strategies. So tell me, guys, which strategies are you using, you as traders? I say you look good without no makeup. Do you follow candlestick patterns on this time frame? Yes. Since I use candlestick patterns to refine my entries more, of course, I have to understand them even on this time frame, guys. You also, the time frame you're executing on, candlestick patterns also matter there because they are communicating to you. Candlestick patterns can show you a continuation, a reversal. Yeah. Yeah. Only if you let me. Singing your favorite song, looking having no one before every single year. I say you look good out, no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you looking for peace. I see you're tired of it. I see you're tired of it. All right, guys, let me see. You can, from my strategy, you can get this structure and you can tell we am going to the moon. I love it when market structure is clear, guys. It gets easier to trade when market structure is clear. So if you are just starting out and you know, it is better to trade in such market conditions when it's better to always trade in such market conditions. It's always okay. But you, darling, I'm using Keltina channel, and when I was explaining the strategy, I first started with that. How do I activate the bot? Reach out to Skynet support team. They are going to really direct you on how to use it, how to set it, and all that. You're just learning. Yeah, if you're just learning, give yourself time. Give yourself time. It gets better. Guys, traders in the building, tell me the strategies that you use. Are you all pure price action traders? Tell me, share, guys.
I'm trying to see how deep you are. Believe me, shawty, I ain't talking about no intimate conversation. I want to see if I can make you reach things unattainable when I peek into your nature. And I promise you my goal is what exceed any physical pleasure. I want to give what's better than better. Better my effort,
No,
the
what
more
I
treasure.
should.
The more these mere moments seem like heavens or temporary forevers. Shawty, get it together.
This is already going. Right, move.
Make your love come down so my mind might have you.
Oh
My
my.
imagination, let me
Damn.
place you need five.
They have really gone against us.
It's not it, baby.
Then it's progress, lady.
Let it all drip, baby. Stop that shaking. We're talking, baby. We're talking, baby. Shorty so fine. Pussy
Let's
so
move,
fresh.
let's move.
Pineapples got my baby taste the best. I nearly lost my mind.
Listen, man.
Swept off her feet when they bought her at Selects. Paid it off cash, so I never wrote a check. My car's in her crib, I'm just stunting on the X. Pussy's excellent, and I know it sound a mess. I let her make her toast curl as I'm licking on her flesh. Sex all night, couple shots of Ciroc. Crib on the water.
All right. Let's move.
Diced pineapples, talking diamonds by the jar. Bitch so bad, got me wishing I could sing a uniform. Isabel Marant when you on the team.
So, Cameron, tell me, do you use fair value gaps and order blocks when you're trading binary or you're trading another market? There's a time when I was also trading with fair value gaps, but I think that concept I need to just be reminded about it since it's been a while using fair value gaps and all that. I do not really.
I do it for the sex. She know how to make me smile and she do it with the sex. Pop bottles, make love.
Thug passion.
Red bottoms, Montclair, high fashion, belt buckles, door handles, gold plated, ball man, rich denim, out Vegas.
All right. I'm seeing someone saying I'm on engulfing candles and confirmation with indicator. All right, that's nice. Actually, guys, I can tell you if you have about 3 confluences, that's enough reason for you to execute. You never wrote a song, but I know that she's a star. All right. Bernard, I've not seen any of your questions. Please ask again. Maybe I was looking at the chat. Sorry. Honestly, I've not seen any question from you. All right, let's keep moving.
You eager to work perfect. I can't employ you. Designer should spoil you. Run you down with the oil to get on a higher tree. You gonna have to climb a sequoia. Hold up. Showing off some Asian provocateur. Rushing you out your drawers. Location where you get your
Oh my god, you took some serious L's here. It's like structure is shifting. Yeah, guys. That is nice trading, Cameron. I know you're onto something there. I tried to understand the concept of order blocks, but I didn't get it so well also. But that was still when I was still doing Forex. That's when actually I was shifting my... But once I came here in binary options, it has always been pure price action. It is easier for me. Lasana, what do you mean you use S? What is S? Na 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 na. I bet you start loving me soon as you start loving someone else. I bet you not needing me soon as you start needing someone else. And I know that it hurts when I when, of course, market structure comprises of candlesticks. Candlesticks are they make up market structure. But whenever I'm meaning structure, I mean the high, the low. Yeah, that's what I be looking at. Not basically just purely candles. Whenever I say structure, I am meaning I've looked at the previous high or the previous low. Now I understand either the market is shifting bullish or bearish based on how structure is moving. Your beach over there. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh, video. Good to have you. Good to have you. So, Loy, you use support and resistance. Soon as you're standing with someone else, somebody better than you. I know that it hurts. I know that it hurts. We on the other side. Soon as we're really having some ride here, guys. Buyers are really moving the market. And this is a strong movement from buyers because you can see we only have few red candles. Meaning buyers have been riding it. Let us see how it goes. All right. Oh, let's go. Yeah, wow. We just survived a crazy candle there. The market is always unique, guys. The market is always unique. That's why you should really, if you really followed your strategy, shouldn't feel so bad when you take an L. Because we, as traders, we have no control over the market. We just do our best. What? But just the name. Somebody. Tony, yes, it is 5 seconds. Trevor, your S actually, the standard didn't mean snakes or supports. It meant EMAs. Okay, that's good. I see you guys really have some nice strategies going on. Let me hope you're really sticking to them and they're working out for you. Okay. How do you trade for 17 hours? Tell me. Daniel, how did you trade for 17 hours? I feel like that's a lot. But anyway, every trader has their own trading strategy and how they go about the market. Tell me honest. The same. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. And I'm glad you have all shared your strategies that you use. A by my side. Me, I would dance. But I will do it right for me. Oh, okay. I get you now. I get you. I thought you really sat on your PC and looked at the market for 17 hours. Tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? Somebody really don't need much. I can trust. To be here with you. If I did not have nothing else to give but love. Let's focus on the context. In a few, we are getting there, guys. I know that is your best part of this stream. But we are still moving. I wanna know to stick around. Tell me honestly. This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. And if you're really enjoying my DJ skills, let me see you mark your attendance in the chat. Let me see you mark your attendance. Jamie, good to have you. Tell me honestly. Oh my, we get taken out. Our pullback entries didn't really work out so well for us here. The market seems to be in a continuation already. All right, guys, we are about to get into the donation, so let us secure some profits we've made tonight. Let us secure our profits, then we get into it. Guys, the minimum for donation is $500, and if you want to be part, there's a donation link down there. You can use that. Yeah, and if for more questions, you can reach out to me via my Telegram. And you're free to also join my Telegram channel for all the communications. Guys, we are here for our first contestant for tonight. Let me hope you're locked in, because in such moments we give ourselves time. We execute the best entries for our participants. If you're ready, let me see you mark your attendance in the comments. That's how I know you guys are ready and locked in. After it exists. Guys, if you're locked in for the donations, let me see you mark your attendance in the comments. Guys, I'm not saying it. I'm not saying it. And if you're following, let me see you like the stream. Let us get 100 likes for the stream, guys, tonight. Let us get 200 likes for the stream. Never ever after did exist. Okay, we get in with our first attempt. Okay, we are getting some movement in our direction, guys. Hey, what was that? What was that? Let's move again. On the path to go. Guys, this is a reminder, you cannot follow my trades on the stream because of the YouTube time lag. Just come here to watch the market, learn. Yeah, let us move that way. We are in again for our first attempt. All right, it closes in a plus, guys. Let us first get our second attempt. Then I reply use Spirit Project. That's how it's supposed to be. Everything look like it's supposed to be. Pull up to the club and go up. Guys, this is a reminder, I am trading binary options and the platform I'm using. There's a link in the description down there. You can use it too. Okay, let us see if we can really catch on this down move. Your chick come close to me, she ain't going where we're supposed to be. Get money like I'm supposed to be. Get money like I'm supposed to be. Hey. Okay, let me see you. Okay, let me see you. Congratulate our first participant for tonight. Let me see you congratulate our first participant for tonight, guys. All those that are locked in, let me see you. Joshua, I see you. Trevor. Hey. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant. Hey, Natures, Cameroon, I see you. TBZ, I see you all, guys. Shade, Skade, oh my, school day. Let me know, I see you all, guys. I wanna know. Which higher time frame am I using to confirm that trend direction? Why executing on a lower time frame? I'm executing on a lower time frame because that's how I want to trade. It's not a rule that everyone should execute on a certain time frame. I prefer to use this time frame with myself, and that's why my higher time frame is 5 minutes. But like I said, with time frames, it depends on your trading and how you want to trade. It is not a must that you should use the same time frames as me. You can use different time frames and still get results. Like I said, pure price action can be used on all time frames as long as you just get the skill and understand the concepts. Hey, yeah, let me hope I've answered you, TZ Frosh. Real World, I see you, Spirit World Project. Ramiz, good to have you all. Good to have you all, guys. Let's move. Yeah, I'm like, hey, you don't get it. Okay, you're going to first wait. We first move on to the next participant. When I'm done, I'll say it again. You know, with the contest, we lock in and get the best. Hey, I'm sitting pretty. I'll make you harder. I know you always on. Okay, guys, let us see if we can get some buys. Let us watch out. Let us watch out and see if we can get any move here. We are getting some crazy movement. Getting crazy movement. Let us see. Guys, if you're really patient enough to wait for a move, the market will reward you. So let us see if this is rewarded. Okay, we are getting movement in our direction. Hey, that was close, but we closed in a plus. Which candlestick pattern do you look out for on 5? I look out for all candlestick patterns. I look at engulfing candlestick patterns. I look at pin bars. I look at doji. It depends on the candlestick pattern. There are very many because all candlestick patterns, they communicate something. So you just have to understand the candlestick patterns and you pick the few that you would use in your trading. Let me see you comment work. Oh. Hey, how do you make a clap with no hands, guys? Okay, let us try to continue with this upward movement, guys. Let us see how it goes. All right, guys, second attempt has gone well. Let me hope you're following. Guys, I am trading. I do not know the clapping they are talking about. I just keep wondering what they mean there. Let us look for a second attempt. Sweet the dawn, I see you. I see you all, guys. You guys are gaslighting me, but I know nothing about that club. Okay, let us watch out for our next move, guys. Oh my. Crazy move. This is really going against us. Damn. Oh my, this has really gone against us. Oh my god. Our final attempt has not really gone so well, guys. That was a crazy move there. Sorry, bruh. Let us move on to the next one. Yeah, let us move on to the next participant. God, it must be you. How can I get the same result? The same result is got by having a trading skill that you have practiced over and over again. Of course, you start seeing results. Okay, we are in, guys. I just hope this goes immediately in our direction. Oh my god, guys, are you seeing that big candle? Oh my. We stood no chance there. Buyers have come with some good momentum. But you know how we do it. If I take an L on the first attempt, I refund and do it again. Let's try it. Let us do it again and see. Body like the summer. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell, you ain't tell, you ain't gotta tell them, don't tell, you ain't tell, you ain't gotta tell them, don't tell. Guys, let me hope you're locked in. I just really hope we can get this move. It's one attempt. Let us see. We are going to wait again and see. Cause it was late night and I was thirsty. Girl, I been into that county, girl, I ain't tellin'. Handcuff me to that bed, girl, that ain't no belly. I keep a stack of hundreds, I can keep a secret. If anything, you was just scrolling, you wasn't checking. She got my number stored on the fake names. We are still here on Gold OTC, so let us see. I need a companion. Girl, cause it must be you. Body like a summer, rockin' like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell, you ain't, don't tell, you ain't gotta tell them, don't tell, you ain't, don't tell, you ain't gotta tell them, don't tell. Let us wait for a move. I'm a bitch, being a bitch, still a bitch. I will forever be that bitch. We have to look out patiently for our move. Guys, this is a reminder, I'm trading binary options. Yeah, for all those that are here and have just joined. And my strategy is simple, pure price action. Are there pills for patience? The only pill that will teach you how to really be patient, it is when you have really taken enough losses from the market and you decide, you know what, I'm going to be patient. Because if you have not really made enough losses for you to understand that the market is the market and it doesn't care about your emotions, even when you're feeling so bad, as long as you're impatient and in this screen, it doesn't care. It doesn't care where you got your capital to deposit and trade. The market will forever be the market. Okay, guys, we are in after waiting for some time. Let us see how it goes. Oh my God. Oh my God. It was so moving in our direction. Okay, let us move on to the next. Losses are part of the game, but sometimes it's crazy. Let us move on to the next. I'ma be like these songs. College, I'm talking, girl, just take it off. I know you anxious, I'm impatient, don't wanna wait it up. I know you free, don't try to play. Guys, lock in, tell me, are you still here with me? Are you watching? Check oil, please. Trevor, what's really interesting? Trevor, where is your friend? Where is your friend, Sandy? Okay, let us see this next. Guys. All right, this is already moving in our direction. Someone who can work for me. I am trading binary options. I am on gold OTC chart. Cameron is telling me I shouldn't get them started. Yesterday they really were kidding me. Okay, let us look for another good attempt. Guys, this is a reminder, we have no control over the market. The platform is Pocket Options. All right, we are moving already in our direction. Hey, let me see. Congratulate our next participant. Let me see. Congratulate Branton. Someone will come back for me. Loyalty. Real world, I'm not getting what you're asking. Yeah, congratulations. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participants. I need some loyalty, someone who come right for me. Get back on me. This is my loyalty. Gracie, good to have you. Good to have you. If you're new here, we are always here every night, catching up good vibes as traders and also sharing trading tips. And I'm trading binary options. Yeah, right now I'm trading for contestants. Yeah. Yeah. And I know most of my viewers love it. Love it when we get into contests. If you want to be part, there's a donation link. And this is a reminder, it's not financial investment, it is purely for learning. Okay, we move on to the next. How can I really do? Emmanuel, this stream is purely for learning and sharing experience as traders. You're free to ask any trading question. Some pair will say 90, 18, and does that influence your choice of pair? It can. It depends on how much you wanna get the bag. Calm down. Give me coordinates, calm down. Remember, everybody got a duplicate. Alright, guys, we are in again. Hey, first attempt, let us see how it goes. Oh my. This really immediately went against me. And I was just trying to follow up the down movement. Oh my god. Get off gold. Should I, guys? Should I? Let us see. Let us refund and try again and see. I've been working all this summer, getting my bread up and shit. Moving from place to place. We cannot stop now. The night is still young. The option is not giving up, maybe changing a pair, guys, but we don't give up just like that. How? If we don't get the bag, who will get the bag for us? The Ferrari won't buy itself, and you know, guys, I want a red Ferrari, so we have to get it. If you see it, remember with you. When you are lost and lonely, don't forget about me. If you see the light, remember. Excuse me. When you are lost and lonely, don't forget about me. Hey, Hasoiko. No risk, no Ferrari, guys. That's it. All right, we are in, guys. And we are already having some movement into our direction. Okay. Hey, yeah. Okay, let me say congratulations. Let me see you say congratulations to Velford. Hasoiko. What does that mean? Mm-mm. And you know how we do it, guys? Everything goes to the participant. Let me see more congratulations. Watching you trade. I understand your strategy. All right. Yeah, guys, actually, the more you watch someone execute trades, believe me, you learn something. That's how actually I also learned more, especially with getting good entries, because you could be knowing a strategy but still you struggle with entries. Yeah, but by watching different traders execute, I really learned a lot with that. So let me hope you're locked in and you're really watching as we are catching up good vibes. Hey, that I was with you. Yeah, more congrats, guys. Okay, Trevor is telling me. So Hasoiko means struggle. Yes, the struggle is real, guys. Yeah, we shouldn't play. We are locked in for life, and we are soon getting locked away. And all those that want to understand my strategy more, you should be locked in on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be dropping more and more videos. Yeah, more and more videos are coming up from my experience as a trader. And man, 5 attempts, here we come. Let us watch. Shot by luck. Can you show your profits? Are you serious? I mean, I thought you are doing everything here and you guys are watching. Am I hiding anything? Okay, let's move. First attempt. Wow, this has really moved fast in our direction. Seriously. I enjoy such trades. And we all do. I know we all do as traders, executing a trade. And with zero hesitation, it's already in your direction. My life is your man is your man. My man is your man. Hurt, that's hurt. Man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I just get him satisfied through the weekend. You like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Make a losing mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday. The movement is a lot. The movement means a lot. That's true. I gotta say, in the move a little bit more. Wow, another move going in our direction immediately. This structure was so clear. Guys, if you have just joined, I am trading with pure price action as my strategy, which involves looking at market structure and understanding it. Like I told you guys, with market structure, for it to be valid, it is valid with candle closure, especially higher time frames. I just can't satisfy through the weekend. On the weekend. I gotta say I'm in the mood. If they send him my way. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, third attempt, here we come. Oh my. You're getting some serious movement from here. Hey. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. This was also quick to go against us. And we were so much following the downtrend, but we get taken out by some crazy buyers, guys. That was crazy. Okay, we move on to the next. One away. We move on to the next, guys. But that was a crazy move. We did our best. Next time, better. Body shape. Another play. Coca-Cola shape. Number one girl, you set the pace. Shake it like an earthquake. Shake. Me, you can't hide from everybody. Us two. Let's see. You ain't gotta be shy to get naughty. Come back up and Kingston, baby. Sweet. And you. The way you do it, the style is unique. Sweet and fleet. The way you do it, the style is unique. You will love the way your body shape. Okay, we are in, guys. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question you want to know, guys. Feel free to ask anything. Yeah, feel free to ask anything. And there's a link in the description for my Telegram. You can reach out to me. And there is also a link for my Telegram channel. You can join so that you don't miss out on any communications. Yeah, love one spend some time, sit somewhere, relax your mind. Girl, you got that thing I like. We can make love to sunrise in the morning. Excuse me. Oh my god, that was crazy. Alright, let us watch for an entry. Someone was telling me to explain more about looking at a higher time frame trend. I don't really know what you really want to know, but guys, I want to tell you something. Whenever you're trading, you shouldn't think that trading is so hard that you should always look out for things to complicate your trading. Try to make your trading so easy and simple for you, because I know I could explain this strategy and you feel like it is so simple. I mean, there is more to trading that I do, but basically that's what I always look out for. So you should also try to make it simple, because trading is not hard. What affects us traders, it is discipline and patience, because we do realize most of our trades that go against us, they are not based on strategy mainly. It is because it's a rushed entry, delayed entry, chasing the market. So basically that is all lack of discipline. So if you focus on that, everything is simple. That is to answer someone. I was explaining understanding the trend, and I feel like they just want to complicate things. Understanding the trend is just looking for understanding I'm in an uptrend. If you're in an uptrend, just wait for pullback, buy a continuation. That's it. So let us look for another. Wait for nobody. I pray one day somebody get. What's your setup, guys? I'm trading binary options. Relationship, and that's enough for me. Trevor, what did I think you of? I don't know what you're trying to mean, but tell me more. I'm using the indicator, guys, with its default settings. So my friend who was asking about understanding the top trend, let me hope I've answered you, my friend, my dear. Yeah, like me, just wanna have some more money, and that's enough for me. Carlos, good to have you. Good to have you all. Nate, Tony, good to have you. World Speech, good to have you. Famous, I see you all, guys. I see you all, guys. So let us wait. Let us watch out for our next. Oh my. Tonight may be my night of sneezing. Yeah, hit and run. Yeah, hit and run. Global, I see you. Pfizer, I see you all, guys. Good to have you all. No one just like this was never better than the summer of 2002. We were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love forever and never. Well, I guess that was true. Okay, guys, we are in again, and we're trying to move with the down, with the bearish structure. So let us see how it goes. Okay, already in our direction. Hey, congratulations, guys. Let me see you say congratulations to Call. Our patience paid off and our waiting paid off. You have to come to Zanzibar. All right. I'm taking back to 2002. Yeah. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. That's how we do it. Songs without your good friends. Oops, girl. Guys, this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question that you want to know. And if you're enjoying the stream, let us hit 200 likes for the stream, guys. Let us move it. On the day we fell in love. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an almost time where we sang our childhood friend. Oh no, oops, I got hold up. If you want Yeah, keep liking it. Faith Monday, I see you, Martin. My strategy is simple. It is pure price action. Binary sounds good. Everything sounds good once you put in the work, guys. That is it. Everything sounds good once you put in the work. But mainly me, I switched from Forex to binary because I was tired of waiting for an entry and the trade working out for me. You know, here with binary options, we just set our expiration time. And once the trade moves in your direction, you're already gaining profits or it's already against you. You do not have to wait for the whole day for a setup. DJ Ive in the building. I mean, every night. That's how we do it here. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Okay, let us wait for our second attempt. I don't get what you're trying to mean, Trevor. Jerome, good to have you. Good to have you. Yeah. On Monday. And I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I can turn around and you do use this. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question you wanna know. Yeah, and if you've just joined, you're free to ask anything. This is a trading assembly. We are not only here for just good vibes. We ask anything we want to know. We catch up as traders. You can tell me how your day went for you. Guys, do you look at your charts on weekends? All weekends are for relaxing. Okay, our second attempt has moved well. Jerome, every time you catch me late, okay, you can set your time. I'm always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time, so don't miss me again. Yes, okay. Cameron says no days off. All days we are in the market. I mean, that's the spirit. That's the spirit. That's how we move here. I mean, why are you taking days off? We're really having some movement from sellers here, guys. Let me hope you're watching. All I'm going to do is just buy and proceed with that day, with that night. Okay. Okay, let me see congratulations. Let me see congratulations. Let me see congratulations. Let me see congratulations to our participant, guys. Someone said, love her like a friend. She has a boyfriend. Hey. Let me hope you guys have heard that. Love me as a friend, even when I don't have a boyfriend. Okay, let me see more congratulations. Let me see more congratulations, guys. Let me see more congratulations. Don't you ever say I just walk away. I just always want you. I will always want you. How can you be like a wrecking ball? All I ever did was did. I put you high up in the sky now. You're coming down. It's slowly. All right. Our final. Don't you ever say I just walk away. I will. There's a link in the description for the broker music. Good to have you all, guys. Hey, I see you all. Daniel, good to have you. Okay, let's see how this goes. Beautiful. Our trade closes in a plus. Sellers moved. Didn't play there. I don't smoke Colorado, yeah. You're one fun game. We still have more attempts to go, guys. We still have more attempts. 2 more attempts to go. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know and also share experience. There's a link in the description for my Telegram, so you can reach out to me anytime with what you want to tell me. Structure is shifting. Okay. Let us be quick to judge. But this structure is like it's shifting bearish, but let us watch and see. Okay, it is finally working out. It's finally moving. Wow. Actually, guys, tomorrow I'm going to share with you how you can spot candles that are showing you momentum is really getting out of the market, or the market is yet to shift structure based on candlesticks that are giving you low momentum. So mark your attendance very early because we first really be sharing more before we get into the donations. Show us now. Let it be tomorrow, guys, because I'm about to close for tonight. And I want it to be in details. You making no noise. Get ready, turn up with the big boys. Live long, the young, that's my choice. Hey, you know, guys, why I'm saying tomorrow? Because I mean, you know, in the market, you just have to look out for something. So the candlestick, the patterns have to first print on the chart, then I show you. I cannot just show you when there is nothing I can show you from. So I feel like tomorrow we're gonna have a lot. Let's go. Hey, you better move down. Okay, we are moving. Okay, let me see you. Say congratulations. Let me see. Let me see. Congratulations. Let me see. Congratulations. Let me say congratulations to our participant. Jerome, good to have you. Natures, good to have you. Dawn, good to have you. How are you trading gold? The market is closed. I am trading OTC market. It's open 24/7, guys. And I'm trading binary options. If you're running, are you running? Are you running? I love to get to. There's the app I'm using. What the platform I'm using is Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link in the description for it. If you want to take part and if you want to be part of the participants tomorrow, you can. There's a donation link in the description. That's what you can use, and surely you'll be on the list. There's a link in the description for my Telegram channel and how you can reach out to me via Telegram. Feel free to do that. Good to have you guys. Good to have you guys. Let me hope you have learned. Let me hope you have really learned something. Let me hope you have learned something tonight. And tomorrow, be sure to mark your attendance. I'll be here same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Yeah, there's a link in the description for a Skynet bot. You can reach out and you get a free bot. I love you all. Good night. Thank you for the good vibes. Good night.